Good medical morning. This is Watson with your pimple popping medical week in a review. We'll cover the best medical content on Instagram, Reddit, YouTube, and more. Plus, we'll be covering a 119-pound cyst by the end of the video, so stick around. First is this eye infection from Reddit. Next are these impressively black blackheads from @GreatestMedical on Instagram. Followed by this ear pimple. Dr. Sandra Lee debuted this enormous pilar cyst. We'll only show you a few extraction pictures to protect her copyright, but kudos to Dr. Sandra Lee. Here's one of the more popular extractor videos on Snapchat. And on a positive note, the bodies exhibit is back to its regular schedule in Las Vegas. Let's look at a few of my favorite photos. Finally, doctors removed this 119-pound ovarian cyst in India. Would you like to see a case study about this surgical removal? Leave us your opinion as a comment. The doctor stated, quote, "In over 30 years of my experience as a surgeon, I've never come across a case where the tumor weighed almost half the person's body weight." End quote. Wow. Hey folks, get rid of those blemishes like a pro with this 7-piece pimple popping kit. It has high-quality, full-size tools, a variety of specialized ends including a lancet, and a handy case for easy storage and travel. See the Amazon link below, it ships quickly from the USA.